Assalamu alaikum. I am Uzma and you are watching Lively English Language. Viewers, today we are going to start lesson number 8, and this lesson is really interesting for you because when you learn this lesson, you can improve your English, and because these lesson is related to some emotions and expressions which we speak anything we show some expressions. So before watching this video, kindly subscribe my channel. First we start. Okay, here actually interjections. When we talk about interjections, some words come in our mind, like some words, yes, we read these words uh, after understand the definition. First definition is that some words which are related to sudden emotions, like what kind of emotions, like surprise, joy, grief, or disbelief. Whenever we see anything and we feel some like we feel that we are surprised, so we show some emotions with it. Like any amazing thing, if we watch, we saw, and we speak suddenly, wow. Okay, and here are many words which we use to show our emotions, like what. If you like very surprised, or you are very हम इसको किस तरह से उर्दू में ये कहेंगे, जैसे हैरान हो जाते हैं, तो वी यूज दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्ड्स व्हाट, और समथिंग इज रॉन्ग, इफ समथिंग गोज रॉन्ग वी से oh no. If we are very sad, we use this word ah. Same like that, we use alas. And whenever we are speaking and we are going to tell something like decisive, we say at last with the emotions. Okay, and if something is very amazing, we say oh my god. Same like that, here is a word hello. This is very common and we speak on the phone, and whenever we meet someone, we use this with expressions. Here is the another word, hurrah. This is actually it is used to show some joy. Whenever we are very happy, we use this word. And whenever someone asks you something which is very surprising for you, you speak and you ask like some questioning mood, you ask why. Okay, these all words we use in different conditions, whenever we are surprised, whenever we feel happy, joy, whenever we are very grief we use these words, and whenever we don't believe on anything, we use like this word why and other words. Okay, today's lesson we have done now, and if you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and share this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.